What is going on, guys? Today I'm gonna basically be showing you how you can basically make almost $2,000 just this week alone. So actually, wait, no, crap. What is going on, guys? Today I'm gonna be showing you how you can closely almost make 10% just this week alone. This is literally the method I'm going to do starting tomorrow on market open. So it's currently almost 1 in the morning, which means market open is for me in 6.5 hours. So yeah, as you can see, I've already started doing this. I did this last week because my average purchase price on IMBT is a little bit below $16. So I'm very comfortable in my position currently. But check out Buy the Dip mugs on merch store, link in bio. But anyways, so here we see the purchase price of $17.04. Now you're probably wondering, okay, how do I make money with this, and like how is this like not a scam? How is this like secured? So this is called a cash covered call. As you can see, expiring March 19th. Today is March 15th, so it is currently Monday, which means then you have Monday, then you got Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then on Friday this expires. So what you're going to do is you're going to do sell a call. So basically what this means is you're selling a call or a contract, and one contract is 100 shares. You don't even have the contract, but what you will have is you will have to buy at least 100 shares of the stock. So depending on your account size, you can literally do this with a $1,750 account. So again, you can scale it however much you want, but I'm just going to be upscaling it a little bit higher. So I'm going to add this right here. Then I'm just going to press the plus sign, which basically means I'm just going to press continue. So as you can see, 100 shares, which would be equivalent to $1,754. I would press 1, and then they would give me a $75 premium. And basically all I'm doing is I'm saying by the end of this week, I'm betting that the price will reach $17.50. So if it does reach $17.50, then this basically means, okay, I bought it at $17.04. I make 46 cents per share that I have. So we're just going to calculate this. So 46 obviously times 100 shares, you're making $46 profit off of this, as well as you're making these $75. So you are at $121 profit just off of your 1700 and 17.04 times your 100 shares. So 1,704, and you made basically $121 profit. So you're making good percentage on this, 121. So you're making over 7% just this week alone, just from doing it like this. Now again, that is one way to do it. Now what happens if it doesn't reach 1750, right? Well then, if it reaches 1749, you can still sell there, or you can hold it, but no matter what, you get this $75 premium. So minimum, you basically make $75 this week, no matter what. Now, what am I going to be doing? I'm going to be buying an extra 1,000 shares. I currently have 300 shares. Now, this is just expiring for the March 19th. Also have stuff expiring on April 17th. That's a little bit higher up, but that's a different video, different topic. So, again, 10. Okay, I guess, there we go. Okay, 10. So, I'm making $750 just this week alone, just off of the premium, and that is only if the price does not move. Now what happens if the price obviously goes to $17.50? Well, then I am making, instead of $121, I'm making $1,210. So again, I'm just upping it. This is just what I'm doing due to my like power that I have due to my cash account. So this is it. There's nothing more to this. All you basically need is to be able to buy a stock, and then know of a decent amount. You can't just randomly buy stocks to cover calls on it, because if the stock goes from $17 to $14 tomorrow, well, guess what? Yeah, you have a $75 premium, but then your $17.50 literally just dumped like $300. So you're down over $200, and so that's not a point. The point is, if you think it'll get close. IMET, I think in the short term, yeah, it's going to reach this. That's why I'm doing it for this week. If I were to do this call, I wouldn't want to do that because I don't think it's going to hit that soon. Now, the reason IMVT gives you such a large premium, it's because it's a very volatile stock. It jumps 10, 20, 30, sometimes 40% in a day. I've seen it jump. Last week, it jumped 55% pre-market. And I was lucky enough to have a couple hundred shares of it, I was very happy. So, again, it's just one way to do it. I'm doing it for this week just because I like the stock, and premiums just help me have a more secure income. And I do about half and half, so half of my cash that I have in this account is used for cash covered calls. The other half is used for pure day trades. So this just allows me to have a nice, more secured premium, as well as this is basically just going to pay for my trip down to LA. So again, that's about it for this video. Remember, check out the merch and all that, and I will see you guys tomorrow with another video on stock market and how to make a crap ton of more money. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and peace out.